Hello guys, today I'm going to be transforming supercars, damaged supercars with the use of AI. So let's see what this AI will do. Let's jump into it. We have the McLaren right here. Yes, if you can see this, this is the image of it. I told it, same place, polish the ground too. Just restore. And then I told it at first, I send you a prompt of damaged pictures of damaged cars. You would just restore them and send the images back to me, and boom, chaka boom, this is what I got. Let's see. You guys can see it, right? Okay, and this is what we got. Let's zoom out. What would you rate this? Like, okay, let's see if this car was truly restored. Let's go back. This is it. First, this is what I noticed in the cars. What's it called? This top, is this like a cover covering? Is it the one covering the top of the car? Or okay, I think it's a cover. So it's like a covering. It's a cloth covering this top that you can't see the back glass, which is this. Can't see this. Hello guys, how you guys doing? I promised you guys I'm gonna make this video, but I didn't do it early. The reason is I've been busy with my exams in college, and this is my final year, guys. It's my final year, so I need your support. Just support me guys. We're gonna be back strong. I'm trying to work on my consistency on posting video every week, at least 2 videos every week. And there's a challenge of every video every single day. So I will be coming with the plans and ideas for that, and I want you guys to hold me responsible. Yep, so I went ahead. Let's move to the next car on the list. It was this Rolls Royce. Yes. Fortunately, you can't. Let me zoom in. Is this Rolls Royce? Look at it. For the McLaren, what do you rate that? I will rate it 7. I'm gonna give it 7. So this is the Rolls Royce. This is the before, and then I told him, do your magic, restore this car. And with what I can see, I'm seeing like a light blue right here. This is it from here. But let's see what this guy would give to us. Zoom out and chaka boom. This is like a silver blue. This is also, this is good. What do you guys think? I think this is gonna be going for, I'm gonna give it like, this is not accurate to me like that, the exact. So I'm gonna be giving it like a 6. Drop your rating on the comment section below, guys. Drop your rating below. Yeah, drop your rating. Then we have my favorite, the Bugatti Chiron. Damn, these cars are going through torment. Alright, so let's see, the wheels are gone, and then we have the badge off, and it's filled with mud. Yep, so I told you to restore this car for me, and let's see what it gave us. It gave us absolutely banger, but where I have issue with it is why stay on the same floor. Why not take it to somewhere else? AI, be smart, be intelligent, be smart. Nevertheless, we will not move to the other. I want to check some things. Okay, pretty good. This is gonna be like a 9 out of 10. Am I biased? Because this is my dream car. This is my favorite car. So I don't know if I'm biased about that. But how you guys doing? Let's come close. Let's discuss. How are you doing, guys? How are you doing? Hope you are doing well. You are doing excellently well, because bro, at this time and age, a lot of young guys are going through a lot, and don't worry, we're all going to make it. Just don't give up, keep going, keep driving. No matter the little growth you are getting, the little improvement, keep improving on yourself, guys. Yep. The next car is the Lamborghini Riuetto. So I told it, restore this car the way it is. Let's see what it gives to me. It's giving a hurricane. It's at least removed it from the floor. It's giving a hurricane, but this is not it. So I reprompt it down below. Let me go show you that. So I told it gave a hurricane, but on top of the wherever pavement this is. Then I told it this was my prompt next. I said that damaged car is a Riuetto. Look at it here. I told you this is a Riuetto. I don't know why this is a Riuetto. Right? And then it gave this prompt. It gave 2 prompts. And oh my god. Was this what was damaged? Whosoever who owns this collection is a cartel. Is that what they call them? Cartel. Guys, was this what was damaged? Come on, you can do better. Come on, bro. If you are new around here, I know you are new around here, hit the subscribe button. Yep, get me to 1,000 subscribers. Let's move from there and build this car. So it did that, and this is it on with that, the lift. Yeah, I think it did excellently well with the Riuetto. Yep. So the next is the LaFerrari. Sorry, LaFerrari. Is alright. Yep. It's the LaFerrari, and I told it restore. Let's see what we got. Mama Mila. Crazy, bro. Crazy. What my rating is gonna be for? Oh, I didn't rate that of the Riuetto. The Riuetto was yellowy. Okay. Let's see if it's the same. It's not actually the same. Just brought like an image from the internet or created something. Yep. So I'm gonna give it like a 6, guys, 6. So let me go to the Riuetto. The Riuetto, I'm gonna give it like an 8. Yep. I think it got everything right, but it actually can't get it wrong on the Riuetto before though. Yep, so it got it right, and come on. It's impressive, massive. Then we have this BMW. If you know the name of this car, if you know the name of this BMW, hit the subscribe. Give me the comments below. Let me see. I want to know. I really want to be educated. I could ask ChatGPT, but I want you guys to teach me this on this. So educate me. Let me know what's the name of this BMW. The actual name, the series though. Yeah, that would be commended. And this was the polished product. Now let's take a look at this detail. Hood, just hood. Yeah, is this all blue? It's all blue, but it's not a sky blue. It's not a sky blue. It gave a sky blue. But all the same, I think it got everything right. Yep, it got everything right. Oh, I'm seeing like a yellow indicator here. Let's see if it has it here. Nah. So it actually just put in some things, and I think if you watch Matt Armstrong, you will know that he modifies his restoration. So when he restores, he also like do some modification. Maybe that's what he's doing right here. I'm just giving the excuse to ChatGPT. Yeah. So the next was Pagani collection, dead in the garage, or whatever you call it, whatever accent you call it, in the garage. Yep. So. Two Pagani, and what's this? Pagani on the extreme end. Yep. What did it create? This was absolutely bullshit. For this, I'm gonna give it like a 3 or 2. AI, come on, you are smart enough to know these are not Paganis. We have only just one Pagani here. A Ferrari. Why did you create yours? Why did you create yours, man? I told it. No, it's not. What's on the picture? It's two Pagani. Check it well. And blah blah blah. It just blap for me. You're absolutely right. I'm always right, bro. And then it brought this to Pagani. So it didn't give us what we wanted, but for this 4/10, I didn't tell you to turn the cars for me. I said restore. Yeah, repacking for me. Nah, I'm not giving it that. So we have the McLaren Senna. You think I don't know that? I know its name. Just tell me the BMW in the comment section. That's all. So we have the McLaren Senna. And let's see what it did. This is the old McLaren with the cover, damaged wheel, blah 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 blah. Yo, this is cartoonish. This isn't even real. Damn it, bro. I'm giving it 4. Nah, it's not worth 5. Come on, 4. Then this is another Pagani. Dead. Let's see what it did. Alright. How did it know that's the color though? And I think that's the color. So for this, I'm gonna be giving it 8. Almost perfect. If not perfect, almost perfect. Just the garage is still dirty. How would you get your car repaired and restored and still bring it to this kind of garage? Yeah, be smart. Alright. Then I gave you the Centenario, the Lamborghini Centenario. This is it. Ooh, this car was a banger in 2018, right? 2018, 2019, it was a banger. But now we have the newer model, the Rueto, the Stradale, right? This is what it gave me. Can you imagine? It's giving me a Lamborghini Rueto, and then I gave it the prompt. I told it clear that this is not a Rueto. That was a Centenario to restore, and boom, it did perfect work. This is a 10, bro, a 10 out of 10. Respect to ChatGPT. Nice work, actually. Nice work. Guys, hope you are enjoying this video. So hit the subscribe button for me. Hit the subscribe. This is the subscribe button. This is on my face, so hit the subscribe button. Yeah. So we have what Lamborghini is this? I think this is an SVJ. Both are SVJs with blue and yellow. Let's see what it's gonna do. It gave a Lamborghini Aventador and an SVJ, but the color, probably it sprays the color. So this is like 6 out of 10. This baby. Then we have the Bugatti. When we are judging the Bugatti, call me. This is Chiron. This is my favorite car. I know about it, so call me. Yep. Damage. Let's see what it's got. What's this date doing about, bro? Is this thing sweet and unique? This thing is sweet. Nah. Crazy. I love this. This also is 7 because, come on, ChatGPT, you can do better. Then we have the Aventador. Have both 3 Aventadors. Let's see what it's gonna do. Aventador Roadster. Is this Roadster? Coupe, right? Comment below. Hit the subscribe. Thumbs up button, like for me. This was an orange Aventador. This is orange, but I'll forgive you. Alright. We're gonna give it 7. For that restoration, 7. And this is like an old Ferrari. To restore this kind of cars, you're gonna need like to buy custom parts. So it's gonna be expensive because you're gonna be making custom parts, not just buy, because these cars are one of a kind. They are one of a fucking kind. The F word, come on YouTube. Sorry, look at my hands, they are clean. So let's see the restoration and boom, chaka boom. This is the Ferrari. This is awesome. The restoration is mad. I'm gonna give it 8. Yes, so that's it for this, guys. I would want to know you, that's it for this video. I want to know which restoration was your perfect or best restoration that you think, oh, this would be a banger, this is gonna be like transformation, everybody's gonna be surprised. Which of them shocked you the most? Tell me in the comment section, and you should subscribe for good luck, like for good luck too. Thank you for watching this video. If you watched it to this part of the video, you are a real one, an OG. Thank you. Peace out, guys.